If you're short on time or space for reading books, you might be considering whether listening to audiobooks is a viable option. Well, let me tell you up front that yes, investing in Audible is worthwhile, and I'll delve into the reasons why. Whether you're driving, relaxing, or working, audiobooks offer both entertainment and education. But why specifically Audible? In this video, we'll explore Audible's offerings, the benefits of signing up for a 30-day free trial, and why Audible remains a valuable choice in 2024. Before we begin, I'd like to mention that you can snag a free audiobook and a free 30-day trial by clicking the link down below. Let's dive into the basics, shall we? So what's Audible all about? Well, think of it as way more than just your run-of-the-mill audiobook service. It's like stumbling upon a treasure trove of literary gems. Created by the genius minds over at Amazon, Audible boasts this massive library that seems to keep growing by the day. And get this, it's not just audiobooks. Nope, you'll find podcasts and exclusive audio stuff too. Whether you're stuck in traffic, pumping iron at the gym, or just chilling at home, Audible's got your back for some quality listening time. It's like carrying around your own personal library in your pocket, ready to whisk you away on all sorts of adventures, both real and imagined. Cool, right? So you might be thinking, why should I go with Audible instead of other audiobook services? Well, let me break it down for you. Audible isn't just about listening to books. It's like stepping into a whole new world that sparks your imagination and takes you on incredible journeys. First off, Audible hooks you up with a free 30-day trial, no strings attached. This trial lets you dive into their massive library and experience the magic of audiobooks firsthand. It's like a sneak peek into what could be your next literary obsession, without having to commit right away. Oh, but there's more to it. Once you start exploring Audible with a membership plan, you're in for a treat. They've got a whole bunch of perks and benefits waiting for you that'll take your listening game to a whole new level. Picture this. You get monthly credits to snag the audiobooks you want, sweet discounts on bestsellers, and even access to some top-notch podcasts you won't find anywhere else. Audible really knows how to spoil its members, catering to all tastes and preferences. It's like they've thought of everything. Oh, and you know what's really great? The convenience of Audible. Seriously, it's a game changer. Picture this. You can dive into your favorite books whenever you want, wherever you are, and on whatever gadget you've got handy. Whether you're stuck in a never-ending traffic jam, killing time at the grocery store checkout, or chilling on the beach, Audible's got your back. It's like having a whole library right in your pocket, ready to dish out endless stories whenever you're in the mood. So, say goodbye to excuses for not reading. Audible's got your busy schedule covered. Now let's dive into Audible's membership options. They've got a bunch of plans to match whatever you're looking for, whether it's something basic or more fancy. First up, there's the classic Audible Premium Plus plan. With this one, you get a credit every month to snag any audiobook you fancy, totally free. It's like a little present from the bookish deities, customized just for you. And the best part? It's only $14.95 a month, which is a pretty sweet deal if you ask me. But if one audiobook a month isn't cutting it for you and your insatiable craving for stories, don't worry. Audible's got you covered with their Premium Plus 2 plan. For just $22.95 a month, you get double the credits. That's 2 audiobooks every month. It's like getting twice the fun without breaking the bank, so you can really delve into your favorite genres and explore new authors without holding back. If you're someone who loves to dive into content for hours on end, the Audible Plus plan might just be your perfect match. At just $7.95 a month, it's super budget-friendly. And the best part? You get unlimited access to a huge library of audiobooks, podcasts, and exclusive stuff. It's basically like having a buffet of literature right at your fingertips, ready to cater to whatever mood you're in. So, you might be curious about Audible's cancellation policy, right? Well, let me ease your mind. If life throws you a curveball and you need to take a break from your Audible subscription, no worries. You'll still have access to all the audiobooks you've gathered. It's like hitting the pause button on your membership without losing your spot in the story. Cool, huh? Alright, let me tell you why giving Audible a shot is totally worth it. Sure, there are the obvious perks like how darn convenient and affordable it is. But here's the real kicker. Flexibility. With Audible, you've got this incredible freedom to dive into your favorite books whenever the mood strikes, wherever you are, and on whatever gadget you've got handy. It's like carrying around your own little library, ready to whisk you away into the realms of literature whenever you fancy a getaway, no matter where you are. And let's not forget that we shouldn't overlook the educational perks of audiobooks. They're fantastic for broadening your horizons. Whether you're eager to dive deeper into a specific topic or aiming to polish up your language skills, Audible has got you covered. They offer a vast array of nonfiction titles and educational content that can really get your mental gears turning. It's almost like having a virtual classroom right at your fingertips, with access to some of the greatest minds and teachers out there. Now, Audible gets a lot of praise, and rightly so. It's pretty fantastic. But hey, it's not all rainbows and sunshine. There are a couple of things you might want to think about before diving in. Take the Audible Plus plan, for example. It's great for access to a bunch of content, but the catch is you can't keep those audiobooks forever. They're more like rentals than purchases. And if you're more of a reader who likes to see the words on the page rather than listen to them, well, adjusting to audiobooks might be a bit of a challenge. But fear not, Audible has tons of other stuff like podcasts and whatnot to keep you entertained. So there's still plenty to enjoy, even if audiobooks aren't your thing. So wrapping things up, Audible isn't just a run-of-the-mill service in 2024. It's practically a treasure trove of literary delights, offering up endless hours of both entertainment and enlightenment. With its extensive collection of audiobooks and podcasts, along with some seriously sweet membership perks and flexible listening options, Audible really does cater to all tastes. If you're itching to dive into an audio adventure like never before, why not give Audible a shot? Just click the link below to kick off your free 30-day trial and open up a whole new world of literary wonders, all at your fingertips. Happy listening. And remember, until next time, keep those headphones snug and let the stories whisk you away to exciting new realms.